Our program is starting with #include stdio.h header file, then another header file #include stdlib.h. Next we are defining a max size, like define max size equal to 5. Next we are declaring the functions for all the process in this program: void insert, void delete, then void display for displaying the queue elements. Then we are declaring in front equal to -1 and rear equal to -1. Okay, for getting front and rear value, then declaring a queue with max size. So we have used max size value as 5 here. So let's start the void main function. In void main we are starting with in choice for getting the choice of our things like insertion and deletion, like that. So if while choice not equal to 0, I think it is choice not equal to 0, printf our main menu, and then we are printing the options like 1 for insertion, 2 for deletion, and 3 for display, like that, and for us for exiting. Now we are printing enter the correct choice, enter your choice. Okay, we are entering the choice: 1 for insertion, 2 for deletion, 3 for display, and 4 for exit. We are scanning that value, choice value and choice. Next we are using a switch case for branching the all the processes. So switch choice case 1 we are doing the insert function, we are calling the insert function and we are breaking. In case 2 we are doing the deletion operation, delete and break. Next case 1 there is a space. Okay, case 3 it is for display, break, and case 4 is for exiting. Okay, exit 0, break. Now the default case we are printing that please enter the valid choice. Okay, our valid choice is 1, 2, 3 and 4 for exit. So we are entering like we are giving that printf enter valid choice. Okay, actually choice is not equal to 4 because 4 is for exiting. Okay, so when we are entering 4 we are exiting from that while loop. Clear? Now void insert. In insert function we are declaring int item, then printf enter anything like enter the element. Okay, enter the element. Now we are entering the new value to our circular queue. Scanf %d ampersand item. We are scanning that item from the user, ampersand item. Clear? Now we are checking the condition, that overflow condition. If front equal to 0 and rear equal to n-1, or here our max size -1, that is the one case of full condition. Okay, so then we are printing overflow and breaking from the or returning from our insert function. Printf overflow. Okay, return, because we don't want to go to the further step inside our insert function, so we are returning from the insert function. Else, if one more statement, one more condition in the circular queue is that if rear equal to friend minus 1, that is also a case of overflow condition. So we are printing the same thing, printf overflow and return. Okay, so that is the overflow condition. Else only we are doing our what insertion process. Okay, else rear equal to rear plus 1, but one more thing is there. I think we want to do if the friend equal to max size minus 1, one special condition is there. We are doing that first. If friend equal to friend equal to minus 1, because we are first we are checking the very first condition, that is friend equal to minus 1 or rear equal to minus 1, that is the circular queue now containing nothing. At that time we are setting friend equal to 0 and rear equal to 0. Else we are checking one more. I think one more is there. Is it else if friend equal to rear equal to max size minus 1, that is rear is at the last position and friend is also not equal to 0, that is there is a space at the front side, at the starting side of our circular queue, then we are setting rear equal to 0. That is the special cases at the time of insertion. Otherwise the normal condition rear equal to rear plus 1. Clear? Okay, so that is all the condition for insertion. Then after updating the rear value, we are inserting new value item into our queue of rear. Then we are printing what is value, like value inserted. Okay, value inserted. Then so that is the end of our insert function. Now now we are going to the deletion, that is our void delete. In the delete function, here also we are declaring an item, that is to save the our deleted items. That is no need of that. If it is okay, you can do like that. If friend equal to minus 1, that is the underflow condition. If nothing is there, friend is equal to minus 1. So we are printing like underflow. That is the case of underflow. Then we are returning from our delete function. Else, in else condition, we are checking all the, we are updating the friend value. Okay, so for that we are first saving our deleted item into our item variable. Okay, then we are checking if friend equal to rear, that is the only one element is in the queue, then we are updating like friend equal to minus 1, rear equal to minus 1. Else one more condition, else if friend equal to max size minus 1, then what we want to do, our friend value was updating as 0. Okay, else our normal condition, else friend equal to friend plus 1. Then we are printing the value delete. Clear? Now void display. Friend equal to minus 1. If friend equal to minus 1, then we want to display like printf our queue is empty, or queue is empty. Okay, then we are returning from our display function, else we are displaying the content. When we are displaying, there is a special for loop is we are using because we want to display from front to rear. Okay, maybe the front is not from our 0th index, so we want to do like that. So for that we are first printing the friend value. Where is our friend is located now, so we want to print that friend value now. Okay, so our friend equal to, like that we are printing. Wait, printf friend value equal to our, we are just printing the friend value, then we are starting our for loop. Also we are printing at the last, we are printing the rear value also, so I am just copying that statement and changed the front to rear. Then inside that we are just starting that items. Okay, we are displaying the items. Okay, I'm just copying that items. Okay, then we are starting the for loop. In the for loop, I equal to our friend, starting from friend, then I not equal to rear. Okay, so our condition is ending I not equal to, we are just displaying until I not equal to rear, I equal to rear. Then our ith values updating like I equal to I plus 1 mod max size, then we will get the correct rear value. Okay, you can check with all I values, you will get the correct thing. Then we are printing the q of I. Then after the for loop, the last value didn't display inside that for loop, so we want to do that after the for loop. Okay, for that we are doing the last one more time, we are just printing the last q, our q value. Okay, cqa.exe. then we are going to insert 1 equal to 1 by first inserting, then also again we are inserting. Okay, so we are inserted 2 already, 12, 13, now 14, then 15, then 16. Only 5, we set max size equal to 5, so now we want to display, so entering the choice 3. So see, our friend is 0, then rear 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 5 elements. When we are deleting, our 12 will be deleted. We will just insert one more element, 17, so that will be at the front side. Okay, so our friend is starting from 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is the q values. Okay, the rear is at the 0th index now. Clear? So that is the circular queue operation. Thank you for watching.